Perimeter is the measurement of distance around a shape. It can be thought of as the length of the outline. You can work out the perimeter of a shape by adding the lengths of all the sides together. Therefore, to work out the perimeter of this shape, we need to calculate 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. The perimeter of this shape is 12 metres. There are also some other formulas that can help you calculate perimeter. Squares have 4 sides that are all equal in length. Therefore, to work out the perimeter of a square, we can multiply the length of one side by 4. If we know that the length of one side of this square is 10 centimetres, then we know that to work out the perimeter, we just need to calculate 10 times 4. So the perimeter of our square is 40 centimetres. Rectangles have 2 pairs of equal sides. This means that the 2 long sides are always the same length, and the 2 short sides are always the same length. Therefore, to work out the perimeter of a rectangle, we can use the formula brackets length plus width times 2. Let's take a look at this rectangle. To work out the perimeter, we need to calculate 3 plus 4 times 2. 3 plus 4 is 7, so we need to multiply 7 by 2 to get our answer. So we know that the perimeter of the rectangle is 14 centimetres. When using this formula, remember BIDMAS. The values inside the brackets must be added together first, before multiplying by 2. Remember, for squares, we use the formula 4 times side, and for rectangles, we use the formula 2 times long side plus short side.